Hey, what's up everybody? My name is D and welcome to my YouTube channels. I am currently living in Vietnam right now and I have been here since February, and because of everything going on in the world right now, I decided to stay here for a little longer. So in this video I want to share with you guys how I was able to work remotely as a freelancer and how I make recurring revenue as a freelancer. Okay, let's get started. It all started with having a passion to build websites, and ever since high school I've been building websites as a hobby. And recently, in the last couple of years, I was able to make money off of my hobby. And for my first client I made $2,500, but after that we each go both ways because I built a website for them and that was that. You know, the website I built for them and they run with it. You know, I didn't like the idea, and during my sophomore year in college, I had this idea of, you know, create my own web hosting business. I didn't want to be an affiliate for any of the web hosting business because it's take a long way to create and get the website up running. Not designing the website itself, it takes the long process to get the website up and running. Then you have to design the website. That case, I didn't like it. So I thought to myself, my idea was to create the website and then have a few pre-built templates where user can come in, they choose the pre-built website and they, you know, just create an account and then connect the domain to the website, and that's it. I want it to be simple and easy for my users. So ever since I've been building the web hosting business. When it comes to web hosting business, you can make recurring income by hosting your client's website, just like GoDaddy. It's perfect if you're a freelancer. You can host all of your client's website in just one network, and with just one click, you can update all of their websites. If you want to learn how to build your own web hosting business, please check out my course. In the course, I show you step by step how to build the whole network. It's only a small fee, but it's kept me survive during this time in Vietnam. So in this channels, I make a couple of videos to show you guys how I make $400 a month off of my web hosting business. If you guys think about it, it's $400 a month. That's not a lot, but it's still money. And since living in Vietnam is very low cost, so I was able to survive here, and it's just opened up for you the whole new world. Since the whole system run on WordPress, and WordPress is known for its reliability, so you don't really have to spend a lot of time maintenance the whole network. The whole system collect the money for me monthly, and that just opened up the whole new door for me. So now I have 2 YouTube channels, where the other YouTube channels I make travel videos and I just document all my travels. And these channels I make tutorial videos to show you guys how I make websites and show you guys what you can do with your WordPress website. I am currently working on improving the course so that members can get more out of the course. If you think about it, the sky is the limit. There's no cap into how much you can make with the web hosting business. And I pay $20 a month, and each month I make about $400 back. So it's a pretty good business and I make good profit off of it too. So if you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channels if you're not already subscribed. Check out my course if you want to learn how to build the web hosting business so you can start making recurring revenue. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.